This can click a little bit, just let it go. And again. Can you turn on your back? Cross your arms, sit apart a little bit. Let it go. Right. Cross and relax all the way down, head back. Very good. Just relax.